our activity. We are weaving our placemats, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this one right here just to show you. This is a really sweet way to make a lovely little handmade placemat for your children. And as you watch, it'll also kind of give you a sense of if you wanna use some of these techniques for Pie Week. If you're doing a lattice, you can do this too. So this is our finished little placemat here, and it's a really lovely way for them to just do some weaving and make a lovely, sweet little placemat. So I will show you kind of how this is done and how you prepare this, just so you can see. So you start with one sheet of felt and you cut it up to about an inch here. So my kids always love to call this the wishy-washy, the car wash. So you can get your little car wash felt here and then lay this out, and then take your other colors and just cut a bunch of strips. So you'll have a few that you cut like this and a few cut into full strips, and then your child can choose which colors they would like to do. And then here is a great way to do lattice work, either on a pie or on here, is that you flip back every other one. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and you can have your children begin to kind of look at that pattern. And then we're going to find a color, this lovely color, and we're going to tuck this little friend right into bed. We're gonna tuck them into bed, all cozy up at the top, and we're gonna say, good night, good night, good night, and we're gonna tuck them all into bed. And then we're going to switch our pattern. So down, up. So we wanna cover up the color that we just saw. So we see this red, we're gonna make sure we can't even see it anymore. We're gonna hide that color now. Hide it, hide it, hide it, and then we're gonna choose another color, and we're gonna tuck them right into bed. And then we say, good night, good night. And you can see how it just creates this beautiful lattice. So now we have this yellow. Now we're gonna hide our yellow. Goodbye, yellow, goodbye. And it just creates a really easy way to, for them to kind of identify this pattern and to join along in making a lovely little placemat. Good night, good night, good night. And there you see it come together. So you can kind of see how that comes together and creates this lovely little lattice placemat. And then to seal it off, you just take a masking tape and just kind of fold over the masking tape along the edges to secure it so it doesn't fall apart. And then you have this lovely, lovely little placemat. So you can use this technique for your placemats, or you can also use that technique for an actual top of a pie if you'd like to do a lattice pie, because it's a really great way for children to be able to identify the patterns. And it's just a very simple fine motor skill instead of actually like kind of trying to weave things in. And they love tucking those good night. So it's a little sweet thing there.